Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the camera test of the OPPO R15 Pro. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now yes, I've been taking a lot of photos with the OPPO R15 Pro here, and I actually have a note in my Google Notes, you cannot see it, I can see it, of some of the stuff I've noticed while taking photos. Now before getting into that, let's take a quick look at the interface. Now the interface here is quite packed with a few features, a lot of features actually, such as several AI features, several modes in portrait mode, and features that can fill up another video, such as slow-mo and all of that. But taking a quick camera tour, and up front is a 20 megapixel camera, and round back are dual cameras with a standard camera, while the second one is a telephoto camera with an impressive f1.7 aperture. Would you look at that? Okay, and okay. I think I'm a little bit too excited, not because of this video, but just to make videos. I really love making one of these, and I really love that you're watching this, so thank you very much. Now I'm going to be showing you some photos I've taken with the R15 Pro here, while I also give you some of the observations I have from my list here. And the thing I noticed is that photos taken in bright conditions, daylight, it's really good. And this year has really surprised me in how photos have really turned out. Very impressed. The interface was very fast and light. In case you cannot tell, I cannot say one vary, it has to be two varies. So it's been very fast, except for shutter lag at night, which I didn't notice. When it came to the photos in bright conditions, definitely top notch. Low light performance was okay, but somewhat noisy, especially on the second camera, which is to be expected. But on the main camera, it's okay if you look at it from the phone. If you take it to something like a computer, it is quite noisy. Portrait mode here was really nice. I was really impressed with portrait mode here. But something I noticed was, well, there's no but in this case. I would say portrait mode is nice. I love the different modes. Edge detection is also okay. I think it's okay. It's okay. And the but that I'm getting to is that even upon the fact that I turned off all the beauty features on the OPPO R15 Pro here, it still managed to make my face look somewhat, lighter or wider. Like, no Oppo, I want my face to be black. Please let my face be black. Hashtag let my face be black. Anyways, but that's, I think, the only nibble or quibble I have against the OPPO R15 Pro. So when it comes to conclusions, I shall be giving you that after I show you the video I have been taking with this in no particular order. And hello guys, good morning. It's very loud now, and I am heading to work. Did not get a lot of sleep. My head feels like it's been dragged on concrete, but that's a story for another time. Anyways, this is my first day using the OPPO R15 Pro. So I'm just, getting some camera samples here and talking while I walk. I really should be walking faster, but I think if I walk any faster, my headache is going to get even worse. So I'm just going to work at this pace. But yes, this is me going to work. So I've got my man Mike here. Lives in this nice fanciful place, and very nice place, as you guys can see. But the most nicest is actually the view here. So you can see, like, for people who know KL, this is actually like the TM Tower, a Unify, there. And yeah, this is the 46th floor, so it's high as fuck. And as you guys can see there, this is just one of the sample. And one thing I noticed is that you can actually switch the double camera there, as you guys can see. So I can, switch. Okay, maybe I'm having too much fun with this, but yes, this is the skyline and KL, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia there. And if you can see tiny there, that's like the twin towers there, even though it doesn't look twin. And like that's like the KL tower there, that is like, oh yeah. So yeah, that's basically been the night test, as you guys can see here. I'm just gonna look at these cars, So I'm just like playing between being zoomed in and being zoomed out, as you guys can see here. So yeah, let me actually zoom in. Yeah, you guys can actually see, boom, what I was telling you about. But yes, the noise actually increases on the secondary camera. that is something you are seeing right now. And let's see how it actually handles exposure there. Ooh, there's like a swimming pool. Is that a swimming pool? No, that's a quad. Is that? No, that's a swimming pool. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. Not that I can swim anyways, but yes, that is the night camera video test. I know. Yeah, so like I'm recording a video. So. Today. I don't know where am I supposed to look at. Oh, it's here. That's gonna be your signature. I know, right? I know. All right. So good evening, guys. Currently heading home now. It's about 9 p.m. at night. Just released actually the unboxing video of this phone, the R15 Pro here. And yes, it's rained literally all day, and very, very long day. I think I only had like 4 hours, 3 hours of sleep the night before. So when I get home, I'm not sure if I'm going to be running or not. But I'll probably try to do that and then head to bed as soon as I can, because I am absolutely tired. But yes, that has been my day today, and I shall catch you guys sometime very, very soon. Yes, of course, this moment deserves a video. Hi guys. Is that your color? Oh my god, that is your color. Oh my god.
What color is this? Not black. Penny pinner.
No, that's what I'm talking about, girl. That's what I'm talking about. Shake it, girl, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
I can't, you guys.
It's okay. If we don't, who will? Who will?
That's true.
Who will? So,
That's true.
in a natural habitat.
Yes, buying makeup.
Buying makeup. I
also,
see.
I look like shit without them, but yeah.
What? No, girl, you forgot what I told you, girl. You sparkle.
Oh, that's true.
Don't you ever forget that, ho?
I glow.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this color.
Which
What color
is
is this? It's number 3. I'm just gonna go with like, beauty YouTuber kind of thing.
Yes.
But like, yeah, number 3, which I don't know which one is number 3.
Yes. And on coming back from the video, please let me know what you feel about the photos and videos taken with the OPPO R15 Pro here. For my own take on it, which I have gotten a lot of requests lately, like, Emmanuel, why don't you put your take on the camera test here? And one of the reasons I would explain in my next video, but in this video, my take is actually a pretty nice camera. The front camera is really, really good. Like, people are like, ooh. Yeah, that happens, especially with the ladies. Is like, ooh, oh, your camera very nice, huh? Yes, the camera is very nice. Back camera also is pretty good. Apart from that, what do you call it? The whitening thing that I really noticed that I did not like that much, because, I like the way my face looks, But low light, yes, I would also say low light if you're planning on taking these photos to the computer, which many of us don't, because it's like Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat. But if you're planning on doing that, yes, you will notice quite a bit of noise. But on the phone itself, you wouldn't really notice that much noise there. And that's basically been it for this video. I really liked making this, shooting this, writing the script, and editing it and everything. So, but I really hope you enjoy it. And do you have any suggestions? Do you have any comments about the R15 Pro? Do you want to buy the R15 Pro? Do you have the R15 Pro? Please let me know all of that and more in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you do not miss future awesome, amazing videos. And we have a Patreon which you can use to support me if you like the stuff that I do here, which I would really like if you did support me, because it makes making this much more easier. And yes, that's basically been it. I have a full-time job, internship, which is a job now, so it gets really, really stressful. But yeah, I'm trying. I hope you're trying to in each and everything you do. Anyways, this rant has been far too long, and I shall catch you in the next video. Then why am I doing this accent? I shall catch you in the next video. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye. Okay. Oh my god, I have some excitement on your face, man. You're like, so like zoomed in and then I can zoom back out. Mega zoom in.
Why?